Alright, so it's a very, very sad day for all Gunners. Claude from Aftv has sadly passed away. May his soul rest in peace. My condolences goes out to all family members, all loved ones, to all the YouTubers who have been closely involved with him. And I know that you guys really think highly of him as well. My condolence goes out to all you guys. Also, my condolence goes out to all Arsenal fan base because we've just heard about the passing as well of Lucas Torriera's mom. My condolence goes out to his family, to his loved ones, to all those who have been affected from it. People stay safe. Hopefully all you guys are good. Much respect, love from Military Gunner TV, and peace out.